Sherry? What's wrong?
I'm fine, I'm just a little ruined.
You never should come to LA. You ain't ruined it. But you will be if you stay here. It's not fame and fortune you can't look at this way. It's love. The love left this place a long time ago.